here, and I was like, nah. Did you save us any, Rick?
Yeah. I ain't real good this morning.
Oh, no.
You chopstick with you yesterday, didn't you? Let me get tied back on again, damn it. Mine's got curl, ain't I?
Oh, Lord.
Oh, I thought you were coming up there.
There's a decent sized brown, looks like sitting right there. There we go. Finally. I figured since they're being finicky, small as possible would probably be the best. Alright now, dude. Come on out of there. There you dummy. Oh, damn, I had him for a second again. They're just soft whipping the hell out of it today.
I'm going to have one pass now.
Come on, man. Heck yeah. Oh shit. Oh damn, that was a nice one too. That was on your bait too. I was reeling it in and he slammed it. There we go. Let him go back. There he goes.
No, I got some new ones on them in time. Brook.
Pretty little brook too.
Oh, you caught some?
Two.
Oh, two. Oh.
Yeah. Caught that one on that little red NRV baits and then the one on this. I've had two come off on this too though. So they're hitting it pretty good. Ooh. Yes. Not quite. That was on the mint green of yours, Eric. Yeah. Yeah, chartreuse, I guess. Oh, hey, this is working good. I think I just saw that big one sitting right there. There we go, Eric's on one.
I believe that was a little wild trout there.
Oh, I thought it looked real colorful. Oh, it's a little nicer fish there.
It's that bullshit I didn't want to come down here and see this morning, Rick.
That's a brown. That's a pretty one.
Got him on my double trouble. Just cause I got one don't mean you had to. Hey, did you say that was a brown? That's what I got.
Copycat.
Pretty brown trout on that yellow.
Send them on back.
Well, if I catch a brook next, I'll have a slam right off the bat.
Oh, I was asleep at the wheel. Damn it. Yeah, I do. I can text it to you. All right.
How about that? Got me a slam. Rainbow brown and then a brook. got into one or two down there.
That's what I was wondering.
Still down there.
Either that or he fell in. Oh, he's on that thing's ass. Oh, there he is. Oh, man. Oh, they're chasing the hell out of it. Look at that, 4 or 5 of them. Good day. Every time I pull this in, I got 4 or 5 fish behind it. Oh, there we go. Finally. Oh, mother of... Oh. There he is. All right. Take a little rainbow. I just kind of caught the edge of that and let it drift down.
That one's staying down pretty good.
He was digging, wasn't he?
Oh yeah. Trying to stay under. All right, meow. And dude, I barely had that one in the top of the mouth. Oh, we were destined for disaster right there.
Oh, horse ass. There we go. Shit. Cord broke.
Well, you must have what they want.
Silver spinner. The guy in Virginia makes them.
One big one, that other hole, and the guy just walked by us with it.
Oh,
Good one, they got it.
yeah, they don't last long. I caught one last year out of this hole. It was about 6 pounds. Pretty nice rainbow. Yeah, that worked. Oh, good little. That's a little wild one. That's cool. There we go. I done got my net stuck on my back.
It'll take you long to work on them. You can put
Oh,
a
shit.
hurting on them.
Oh yeah. There we go. Keep digging. Seems like pink. I got a lighter pink on. I caught them on a black bug too. They were hitting good while you were gone, and I guess they just settled back down. Might do good to stir them back up with a spinner. Get them biting again. Sometimes they get packed together and just stop biting. But here comes trouble. Done pretty good here. Well, I ran a spinner through there and stirred them up and caught a few, lost a few, and then creek bug. You fishing where you come in where that tree is? People there.
Rick's up there.
That's even worse. There's a bunch of fish at that tree, but they were getting hammered when I came in. Come on and hit it. There we go. Finally. Come on. Here, dude. If I can get you in there. Ooh, he popped right off too. There comes a nope rope. See that snake out there swimming down? He's about out in front of his fly rod now. Old water snake. Ooh. You want a drink or anything if I run to the store real quick?
Oh, I got
you got
water and stuff in the cooler.
Alright, I should be pretty quick.
Quick release on the old brown. Let me put the hook in you. I didn't want all the sticks. I mean, I don't know how many times I get my stuff all up in something and it's just like a miracle. It just pops right out. Aren't we supposed to be meeting Cooper up there at 2?
So much shit I like to fish now. I need to wear 2 vests. Lord, that's a decent sized fish right there.
Yeah,
turn him over. Probably got 2 balls of power bait about halfway to his asshole.
Yeah.
You'll have that on them big jugs. Like Pokemon, you gotta catch them all. Hell, I'll catch that dead one if I can.
That dead one's been there for a while.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, Cooper got one.
Fly rod, baby.
Live action.
Let me double hook.
I don't want to make spaghetti here. Cody from Rod and Hand with us today.
Yee.
Oh, I got Cody here a while.
Some other guy.
Yeah, I'm gonna quit fucking giving this guy anything.
This might do better jigged. I bet being shiny like that. I might catch him. I caught myself. Hey, I put the brown one on.
Oh yeah? Of mine?
Yeah.
How about that? Looking fish.
Live action. Why you gotta do me like that?
I think Chubbs want it more than these stupid trout.
Yeah, that's the problem. Anytime fishing something small like that.
Yeah, he wants some more.
Damn it.
Oh,
shit.
help us all.
Yes.
Come on here, boy.
Here, let me try to get it underwater on them. Add the production value. Roll that beautiful beam footage. There's a sign in that bathroom that says, "Please hold the handle till it flushes. I don't like leftovers." Swear to God, that's what it says. I was like, oh, there we go. Figured he'd come back. Oh, the pinch crawler. There we go. Popped right off. Ooh, it gulfed it. Hey. He's colored up though. You gonna break my trout magnet hook? Get the f out of here. Ah, you grab that for me, one of you?
Yeah.
Right under your hook.
I got it for you. This one's lucky. Alright, you gave me a damaged crawler. I got some chartreuse here. What, are you gonna sleep on it?
Yeah. Oh, come here, little buddy. He's just a boy. Speckled up, ain't he? Oh, that's my brown, isn't it? Maybe not.
Head shaking like one.
Yes. You stay on there. God, I hate I lost that brown, man. Man, that's the second nice brown I've lost today.
Hey, fire. Oh, dude, he took off with that.
I think I spoke to you a little bit.
Yeah, he stirred the water up. Freshened it up.
Get in there. We both stop up there.
Shoo.
Not to share.
Yo, the white girl wasted.
Yeah. You believe it.
Oh. Nice rainbow, Cooper. That's a nice one. Oh shit, I didn't even know I had a fish. I was a poet and didn't even know it.
I didn't know I had a fish.
Fuck you, Erik. Oh,
Yeah,
Cooper.
off the hook, yeah.
Cooper, don't do me like that. He's shiny. Get underwater on him. Just want to ask you about your car's extended warranty. Can you hold this for a second? Oh shit, it was under.
Yeah, no, I was trying to
Hey, hey. If that's a brown, I'm gonna kill you. Hey, you big boy. I'd have been so mad. I ate buttered popcorn all night last night.
You gotta get a video so everybody can see how.
Look at this asshole. That's what he does when asking to hold my pole. Look, lost my pinch crawler.
Something about your pole. They must just like it better.
It's that Abu Garcia, buddy. The Shimano's good stuff too. Abu's always been my favorite. Oh, it's a tree pounder.
Oh, I didn't even get hooked on the tree.
You got hooked on somebody's old line.
I'm
you
hooked.
might get a free bait.
On a line. Look at the number of hooks in this
Look
thing.
at the crawfish tangled up in it. We gotta rescue him, dude. I'll get him. Can't leave him.
I didn't even notice the crawfish. She said something.
Check this out, guys. This crawfish is tangled up in all this line on the bottom.
Oh, he's got a hook in him.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Uh-oh.
He's gonna crawl up in there and pinch my toes. In the arms of the angels. Oh. Yeah. Woo, live action.
Free Willy.
Lord. He said, I'll take both of what y'all got.
Oh, dude, I had a hit too.
Oh my God. If you'd have hooked up right there, that'd have been so damn funny. I'll have what I'm having. Yeah. You don't have to. That's what you do if you have to bring your kids. You're like, you see that fish right there? Just keep casting for them. You want to go check that flat tire hole? See if it's cleaned out? Yeah, people, I mean. Yeah. There's plenty of fish. Over there, it looks like it's got some funky monkey in it, though.
Funky monkey.
Yeah. Brass monkey. Funky monkey. You know what that is, though? That's somebody don't want to touch the fish. That's what that rag is. They hold it over their hand like a pussy.
Oh yeah, there's somebody else's Michael Jackson glove.
Oh no, grab that too.
Just the one glove wonder.
People, this is a public service announcement. Pick up your trash.
Stay right there and pull it in that current. Dude, all these fish in this hole are hanging right here. I just spotted a nope rope that you were literally all over top of a minute ago. It's laying on this tree right below that storm pipe right there. Yeah, there we go. There, boy. Dude, all these rainbows that are up here near the dam, look how dark they are. Yeah. Yeah, at least you're not the one standing in the water, but I got my escape plan. Nice rainbow. See you later, Stinky. Hey, last two on that black with the glitter. And you had one all over it right there.
I know, man.
Got you one.
Oh, dark rainbow. On the drum paws.
There we go. Live action. There you go, you mother. It's got little specks of pink, and that was the second fish. There you go. Oh, you had one coming for it. There's two of them fighting over it. Gotcha, you fucker. In the net.
There you go.
Caught that fish on a bait you can't buy, boys. Ain't nothing but Maxol Plastisol, pink glitter from Hobby Lobby, and a stonefly mold. Get you some, boy.
Oh, man.
Get you some.
Get him, boy. Look how dark he is.
He's thick.
That's a huge bitch.
Ba-bam. See you later, old girl.
Oh.
There you go. There you go. Oh.
Sorry. I'm fishing the same thing as him, but a different mold. A pinched worm mold.
1-inch multiplier mold.
Can't just hang out in it. Thank you. Oh, he tossed my crawler. Mighty nice of him. Rainbow. Drive safe, man. Oh, I know. Hey, there we go. Oh, shit. That is a good one. Right when Eric goes to leave. There's a brown. Oh, shit. Gotcha. Finally getting my brown, hopefully, here, y'all. He is fighting like crazy.
You got
him. Nope, haven't got a brook yet. Thank you, sir. Let me grab a little camera here. Awesome. Awesome. I'm glad you got to see the brown. Awesome. Hell yeah. Boing. Look at there. Now that's on Eric's bait. It's similar to a pinch crawler. Yellow. Popped right off. Beautiful. Oh. Got him. I ain't seen a single brook come out of this hole today. Even when there was people here earlier.
I think they stocked some on the lower end the other day. Yeah, my bud caught a real good one at the carp farm the other day. Like 14-pound carp.
Ooh. Nice. I'll never forget that day up there. Yeah. Me catching that big one on that ultralight. God, man. Oh, there you go. It's one of them, I can't think of the damn name of them.
One of those herons.
Yeah, there you go. Herons.
Shit out. That's pretty.
Oh yeah, I think that's probably the one that swiped at your spinner down there.
Yeah.
That brook's awesome too, man.
Nice trip, wasn't it, for a brook?
Oh yeah. It was good to see you, man. Yeah, I'll let you know next time I'm coming up here to the Smith and we'll get together. Good to see you, bro. Thank you for the spinner.